Hey, welcome to the Mason Pot fam. How to make infused simple syrup using cannabis or hemp flower. Let's dive in. All you're gonna need is a Mason Pot kit, 7 grams of lemon kush today. Vegetable glycerin is important so the cannabis can bind. 1 cup of water to 1 cup of sugar. It's a 1-to-1 ratio in general when making simple syrup. And then we're simply just gonna break down the flour by hand or a grinder. Snap the fingers right there. We got all 7 grams right in here, ready for the decarboxylation process, guys. Typically 240 degrees for 40 minutes. Put the lid on that has the silicone ring in it, the silicone hole, and then we're gonna take the probe piece of the thermometer and stick it right through there. It's just a perfect fit. And make sure that probe piece touches the bottom of the jar. This is gonna give you the best reading where the flour is so we can know exactly what's going on. Now, we're doing the residual heat method. I'll link the full video below, but essentially we're doing 40 minutes here at 240 degrees. I set this oven a little higher because it runs cool, but when it hits that 240 mark, we turn the oven off. Now, how much time was that? So it took about, 22 minutes, 23 minutes to hit that mark, but watch, I'll come back to you guys and show you how well this jar maintains heat with this residual method. And look, 246, how far in are we? So we're 30 minutes in, 29 minutes in, and it's still maintaining that heat. When it's done, take the jar out, allow it to cool so you can touch it by hand like this. Simply pop off the top, just like so. We're just gonna pour it in a separate container here today because we're gonna be using this in a double broiler method. Take the Mason Pot microfiber cloth, simply wipe that out. Take that 1 cup of water and put it in the Mason Pot jar. Bring that jar over. Again, we are doing a double broiler method, so we allow the water to heat up pretty well in here so the sugar can fully dissolve. It doesn't need to be boiling, but it needs to be hot. Now we're gonna take a spoon and just give it a nice stir. Allow all that sugar to be dissolved within that 1 cup of water. Now we're gonna take 1 tablespoon of the vegetable glycerin and we're gonna drop it right in there, right into this jar. Again, that's the beauty, is a double broiler method is so nice with the Mason Pot. We're gonna stir that up. We're gonna make sure that's fully dissolved here, guys. Then we're gonna take that 7 grams of the decarboxylated lemon kush, and we're just gonna put it right inside the Mason Pot jar, guys. This is gonna allow the infusion process to start. We just wanna mix it up with the spoon. You could even put the lid on and shake it, but today we're just gonna, mix it up just like so with the spoon. And then we will put on the lid with the thermometer so we can get a very accurate reading. I'd recommend taking the jar out to put the lid on. I got a little crazy today, and I'm known to get a little crazy when I'm doing infusions, and I just did it when it's right in the pot. I was still able to. It wasn't that hard, but I'd recommend taking it out for sure, guys. Now, let's go ahead and set a 60-minute timer. Our goal is to have this locked in. This is about 10 minutes in. It's at 172 here. The goal is 186 right here is where we're at. How far in are we? 27 minutes, and that's still not quite high enough. I want it to be at the 190 mark, so I slightly tweak the stove top there. And then we just grab that microfiber again and give it a little swirl. Mix it up, have some fun, allow it to infuse, and let's let this other hour run out. Here's the next hour. It's at 192. Let's run another hour. We actually ended up running 3 hours on this infusion at that 190 to 195 degree mark. After that's up, grab your Mason Pot puck, drop it right into your infusion there. Use the Mason Pot press to press the puck down. I love seeing this through the pot. Oh, it always looks super dope. Then take it and just simply put it through the Mason Pot fine strainer. And what you're left with is your cannabis infused, today, lemon kush simple syrup to mix in any cocktails you like. I'm gonna have a couple other recipes coming about simple syrup, but this is a great way to mix it up, make some tasty cannabis infused cocktails. Get it going right, guys, with this simple syrup recipe. I hope it finds you well. Tap in with the Mason Pot fam and check out masonpot.com if you just want to learn more, and check out this Mason Pot infuser kit because it really is a game changer, my fam.